Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an API key in crypto. An API key acts like a secure digital handshake, allowing other applications to communicate with your account. This is essential for automated trading strategies or integrating with third-party tools. Understanding its function and security is the first crucial step before generating one. We will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you set it up correctly and safely. To start, log into your crypto.com exchange account using a web browser. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select API Management. On the API Management page, you will find a button labeled Create New API Key. Click this to proceed to the next step. Now you'll name your API key. Choose something clear like My Trading Bot. Next, it's vital to set the permissions. Only enable the specific actions your application needs, such as spot trading or read-only access to minimize risk. After configuring permissions, click Create API Key. You will then be presented with your unique API key and secret. Copy both immediately and store them securely, as the secret will only be shown once. With your API key and secret generated, you can now integrate them into your desired application or trading bot. Always ensure your application handles these credentials securely. It's good practice to regularly review your active API keys within crypto.com. If you notice any unfamiliar keys or no longer use a specific integration, revoke that key immediately to maintain security. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.